As the anticipation for Oppo upcoming flagship, the Find X7 series, build exciting detail about its specification have surfaced, promising significant leap in both processing power and camera capability. The Oppo Find X7 is set to be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300, while the Pro variant will boast the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. This not only ensures robust performance but also hint at a seamless user experience. The real standout, however, lies in the camera department, especially for the Find X7 Pro. So according to insight from digital chart station, the Pro model is gearing up to redefine smartphone photography. The flagship Find X7 Pro will house a remarkable camera setup featuring Sony Latia LYT 900 1-inch main camera, a testament to Oppo commitment to pushing imaging boundaries. Virtually set is part of the dual periscope telephoto sensor. The first periscope lens, the large button portrait periscope IMX890 Sport, impressive 2.7x plus optical zoom. Complementing this is the small button ultra telephoto periscope lens, likely the IMX858, delivering a remarkable 6x plus optical zoom. This dual periscope system promises to elevate zoom capability to a new height, capturing detail from afar with clarity. Oppo Find X7 Pro introduced the next generation of hyper image system, a collaborate with the camera manufacturer has revealed. The inclusion of multi-focus setting enhances the device grade potential, ensuring that every shoot is a masterpiece. Redefines smartphone photography with cutting-edge processor and camera setup that promotes not just incremental but transformative improvements. So launch date of Oppo upcoming flagship smartphone Find X7 series will be between February to March 2024 in China. So take care. Bye.